Hello, I'm Dawn McPhee from Dawn's Inspirations and welcome to my craft room. Many of you may know or may not know that during lockdown I have been doing Facebook Scrapalong lives using my page sketches that I've designed. So you can print off the page sketch with all the measurements and you can craft along with me to create some beautiful scrapbook pages. Now, started during lockdown and we've done 9 weeks, okay? So we've done lots of fantastic layouts, and the great thing about it is this is using supplies that you've got at home. So what I do is on a Monday I was doing a supply list video, and then on a Wednesday doing the Scrapalong live. So if you think, oh well, I've missed out, you haven't. Because over on my website I have put posts with 1 to 9 of my page sketches. So you can download the PDF, you can view the supply list video, so you can search through your craft rooms and gather your supplies ready, and then there is the class step-by-step video class. So I work in real time with you crafting. With the video lives, Facebook lives, you will hear me talking to lots of people. However, on the videos you won't see any of the comments because they're not there. So they are in real time and you can hear all the banter and laughter and the questions that come up, which is great. Now, if you're thinking, oh, page sketches, I fancy having a go at that, it's not too late. 1 to 9 are free over on my website, and I'll leave a link below the video. So if you fancy having a go, you can, and you can do a try before you buy. 9 weeks free. Week 10 onwards is a small fee to pay for your page sketch, your supply list video and your step-by-step in real time class. The nice thing about having it as a paid video for you is you can then craft at a time that suits you. Because I know there are crafters from all around the world that have been joining in. I've had Spain, I've had Germany, I've had UK, I've had Australia, I've had New Zealand. You know, they're coming from everywhere, or in America. You know, that's just a few that I can remember off the top of my head. So it's nice that everybody can join in. I do these page sketches as a class that I teach here in the UK, and I didn't want to belittle the class to the ladies who pay for my classes with me teaching them. So that's why now I'm going to continue with the page sketches on my website, but from now on they'll be available for a small fee. So you can still craft along with the page sketches for those that you have enjoyed, who have enjoyed it. And if you haven't and fancy having a go, take a look, because you get the first 9 weeks free on me. So you can try before you buy, and then if you like it, you can carry on crafting with me. Perfect classes for beginners. So if you haven't scrapbooked before, give it a go. I can probably, well, on one hand, I know 5+ crafters that have got in touch with me, have never paper crafted before, have never scrapbooked before, but they watch the lives, like the idea, had a go, put their toe in the water, enjoyed it so much, and now they're scrapbookers as well. So it's great fun. So if you haven't found out about my Scrapalong with page sketches, take a look. I'll leave some links on the video below, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye for now.